Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to talk about how to transfer your eSIM from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. Whether you're upgrading or switching devices, transferring your eSIM can be a breeze with these simple steps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before we begin, make sure both your old and new iPhone support eSIM technology. Most newer iPhone models like the iPhone 11, 12, 13 series support eSIM. Step 2. Backup your data. It's always a good idea to back up your data before making any changes. Use iCloud or iTunes to create a backup of your current iPhone. Step 3. Deactivate eSIM on old iPhone. Open the Settings app on your old iPhone. Navigate to Cellular and select Cellular plans. Choose the eSIM you want to transfer and deactivate it. Step 4. Set up eSIM on new iPhone. Turn on your new iPhone. Follow the setup instructions until you reach the apps and data screen. Select Transfer Data from iPhone and continue. Step 5. Transfer eSIM. On your old iPhone, a prompt will appear asking if you want to transfer your eSIM to the new device. Confirm the transfer and follow any additional instructions. Step 6. Activate eSIM on new iPhone. Once transferred, go to the Settings app on your new iPhone. Navigate to Cellular and select Add Cellular Plan. Follow the prompts to activate your eSIM. Step 7. Verify and test. Check that your eSIM is activated by making a test call or sending a message. Your new iPhone should now be ready to use with the transferred eSIM. Conclusion. And there you have it. Transferring your eSIM from your old iPhone to your new iPhone is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.